Okay, guys, so here we are on week 1, lesson 5. We're ready to wrap up this first week. Today we're going to be talking, or in this lesson, we're going to be talking about dividers and page organization. So dividers don't change how things look, they just help organize your page. So a divider is used, is implemented using a div tag, and it groups content together so we can style or control it later. So that's going to come in with CSS. We can add different style sheets to different elements. And div or divider, div is an element that we can apply a style sheet to later. Again, we're going to get into that when we get to CSS. So class names are things that help us target specific sections in our pages. So in my page, I have biography and career, and we can add dividers and class names to that to help it all sort of flow together. All right, so we're going to just add right here above our H2 biography, we're going to add a divider class equals bio. Oh, sorry, I did the wrong quotations. All right. And then see how it automatically did that. But I want that closing div tag to go around the bio section. So I'm going to delete that right there. And I'm going to go down here underneath that paragraph. And that is where I'm going to add my closing divider. Okay, and it does weird things because it's trying to predict what you want it to do. So you got to make sure that it does the right thing. All right, so you might want to pause the video at this point and go into your starter code after you've put everything back in like it should be, and then wrap it around a divider. And then let's run it and see what that does for us. So it doesn't make our page look any different. What it does is it just helps the person who's reading your page or who's looking at your code, maybe helping you troubleshoot code. It just helps them see what's going on. All right, and then I just did indentions there so you could see a little bit better there. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to use at least one div tag and add at least one meaningful class name, and then just make sure that once you do that, your code still loads the way it should.